Good day everyone. My name is Philip Mark M. Luna, and today I will talk about effective presentation skill. Slide 2. I will be discussing the following objective. What is presentation? Importance of skill. Tips of good presentation. Use of visual aids. Common mistakes to avoid. This topic is important because in school, work, or even in community, we often need to speak in front of people. When we present well, we can share our ideas clearly and help people understand what we say. Slide 3. What is presentation? A presentation is when a person speaks to a group of people to give information or to explain something. Presentations are often used in the classroom, at work, in meetings, or during special events. The goal of a presentation is to speak clearly so that others can understand. It is also to help the audience learn something new. To make a good presentation, we need to have the right skill. Slide 4. Why presentation skills are important? Presentation skills are very important. First, they help us speak with confidence. If we know how to present well, we feel less nervous. Second, people will listen to us more when we speak clearly and confidently. Third, we can explain our ideas better. And lastly, we make a good impression. This means people will remember what we said and respect us more as speaker. Slide 5. Tips for a good presentation. Now, I will share some tips to help become a better presenter. One important tip is to speak clearly. Don't talk too fast and make sure your voice is loud enough so people can hear you. Also, it is good to make eye contact with your audience. This means you look at the people you are talking to. It shows that you are confident and friendly. Another tip is to practice before your presentation. You can stand in front of a mirror or ask a friend to listen to you. It is also helpful to smile and show that you are excited about your topic. This makes the audience more interested in what you are saying. Slide 6. Use of visual aid. Using visual aids is another great way to make your presentation better. Visual aids are things like picture charts, graphs, or videos, infographics, diagrams that help people understand your topic. For example, if you are talking about numbers, you can use a graph to show the changes. If you are sharing a story, you can show a picture to make it more interesting. Visual aids also help people remember what you say because they can say and hear the information at the same time. Slide 7. Common mistake to avoid even if we have good information. We can make mistakes that hurt our presentation. One mistake is reading all the words from your PowerPoint slides. This can be boring for the audience. Try to explain things in your own word instead. Another mistake is talking too fast. If your people cannot follow what you are saying, they will be lost interest. Looking down at the time is also not good. We need to look up and connect with people. The last mistake is not being ready. If you don't prepare, you may forget what to say and feel nervous. So always practice before your presentation. Slide 8. Conclusion. In conclusion, effective presentation skills are important for all of us. They help us share our ideas, connect with people, and build confidence. We can become better speakers by speaking clearly, practicing often, using visual aid, and avoid common mistakes. Everyone can improve with the time and effort, so don't be afraid to speak in front of others. With good presentation and a positive attitude, you can do it. And that's it. Thank you very much for listening my presentation. I hope you learned something that you can help your next presentation. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer them. May you always speak with courage and kindness. Thank you, and have a great day.